Alright, so I'm gonna take a quick little ride. I'm gonna find a pizza spot to go eat. Hopefully it's open or still in business. It shows that it is. And I'm gonna take a ride down by the beach. 74 degrees today here in Port Saint Lucie. And back home it's 48 degrees. So that's what we're looking at back home. And we're looking at 74. So we're definitely staying here in Port Saint Lucie. All right, we're gassed up. All right, here we go. Let's find this place. Let's go look at the water. It's beautiful out here today. Oh, look at this guy. What do you think? I can see myself on something like that in about 25 years. You never know. Maybe not. Alright, this is one of the reasons why I wanted to live here. I mean, it's December and I'm by the water. It feels great. It's beautiful out here. That smells great. It smells like the beach. I love it. I guess these are all private docks to these houses, because they all have a sign that says private property. Take some time. I want to visit here. I gotta check the hours out for the Elliott Museum. It's a car museum. It's got a whole bunch of old cars in it. Gotta see if we can make it over by the water. Kids playing over there. It's not bad because it's not cold, you know. It's a little windy, but otherwise it's gorgeous. Look at that view. See that? I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt and I'm out here. So definitely anybody that is tired of the cold, the high taxes, come out here. You're gonna love it. All right, so we found an entrance to the beach. It's a couple entrances along this road, open to the public. Let's see this entrance here. See what we got here. What does this look like here? There, look at that view. Walking on the beach there. Life doesn't get any better, man. Life does not get any better. Well, that was the second entrance. There's even more people out here. Got like a little bonfire going on. All open to the public. I mean, you can barbecue here. If it was, you got a family get together, I'm sure that you can come hang out here. But it's all available here for you for free. So, I mean, I don't know what else you want. I get it. If I lived in South Jersey, in New Jersey, I get it. You got a beach, you got everything. Yes, yes. But not in December. Can't come out and hang out in December. You know what I mean? I'm hanging out. I'm actually riding my bike in December without, you know, it's cold, but it's not freezing. We're out here